Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today we are doing a YouTube hop for our stamp and die of the month for October. Our brand new stamp is called Drink and Be Merry. It is really cute. I love these mugs. They're really fun to color. We have two sentiments, but first eggnog, which I love. Our second sentiment, sweet Christmas wishes. And then eat, drink, and be merry. There's a candy cane, some snowflakes, a shine mark, and some snow. The stamp of the month is sold out, so next month there may be some spots that open up. If you see that available, jump on it and get in on the stamp of the month club. Right now we have spots open for the stamp and die of the month. The die does come on a magnetic sheet. I always try to include details like cutting inside of the mug handle and also creating dies for the sentiments included in your stamp set. So I made a super cute card using this. For the hop, you're going to use the hashtag N2SMerryMugs. It'll bring up all the videos in this hop, and if you have any trouble, go to the description box down below and I'll have a lineup of creators for you to hop to. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. This giveaway is going to run through October 14th. I'll announce the winner on my community tab on October 15th. There'll be a Rafflecopter link in the description box to enter into the giveaway. So let's take a closer look at the card I created. I love this card. It turned out really, really pretty. I did a teal color card base. I framed it with this beautiful gold paper. The sheet here is from our Paper Pad Club Tropical Christmas. Used a scallop oval in the same color as the card base. I did add a little bit of shadowing down here, but you really can't see it. I did it with a very, very light gray marker. And then I colored up the mugs in teal and pink. I added a splash of green and yellow. I did the shine marks in yellow. I thought it brought it all together with the yellow star in the middle. Those shine marks are from the stamp set. I thought that really topped off the card. I used our brand new sparkle enamel dots that are not released yet. They will be releasing on October 22nd for our quarterly release. But you can get these sparkle dots for free with a $60 purchase. So to join the Stamp of the Month Club, head on over to the website, nottoshabbyshop.com. You'll see the subscription section. I'll also have a link in the description box to our subscription sign up page where it shows you all of our subscriptions. When you sign up for any of our subscriptions, you get an 18% discount. You'll see that in your shopping cart once you choose monthly for your frequency. Then you'll get a new stamp and die every 30 days from the date you purchased. So I hope you enjoy this hop. Don't forget to hop on over to the next design team member and see what they created for you. Also check out my other video. We just released 2 new collections and I have a coupon code for you for World Card Making Day. If you haven't seen our paper pads for the month of October, we have Sweet Winter, Tropical Wishes, and the option to add on the coordinating ephemera. If you're a current subscriber and would like to add on the ephemera, just email me and I can add that for you manually. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys!